Welcome to this week's adventure. This week we're doing something different. It's a technology adventure.
So we did a thing. We knew we needed a better camera, so we did some research and we bought one. Yay! So we're gonna have an unboxing. Let's unbox it.
All right. What's this? Oh, I think this is a tripod.
We got a kit, like a set that came with handy dandy things. So apparently it came with a tripod. I don't know what this is. We have a lot to learn. But it came with a thing. Yay, a thing.
A card reader. It looks like a flash drive.
It came with a memory card and a card reader flash drive. It's a USB 2.0, so that'll be interesting to learn. And a mystery thing.
We'll make a stack of mystery things and figure them out later.
I'm sure there's a book in here somewhere, but we haven't found that yet.
Maybe not. Maybe it's
It
online.
came with all sorts of useful tools, like for grips and things. And we haven't even gotten to the main camera yet.
A
light.
light. A light.
Yay,
wow.
that's handy.
It comes with its own light.
Oh, another tripod kit thing. Ah, this is the handheld tripod.
Whoa.
Oh, great. This is what I was looking forward to. So you can hold it more easily, so that'll be fun. And we're saving the best for last, obviously, because we haven't opened the camera yet. Cleaning cloth.
Oh, nice little case to keep it in.
You ready? You ready?
Oh, yes, I'll put the case
And here's
down.
the camera!
Oh, we're not quite
What?
done.
Oh.
Wait, stop. There's more.
Oh, wait, there's more. But we don't know what that is either. So that's a mystery thing.
Right.
Yay, we have so many mystery
And
things
it's
to
a
learn about.
mystery stack.
So we got the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. Yeah, that's exciting.
Yep. We weren't sure about it, but it was $50 more than getting the Mark II, so we figured we'd just go with it.
And I believe that the Mark III, I think the bonus over the Mark II is that there's an external mic port. So that was a definite draw for us. So we're looking forward to trying that. But this style looked good. I liked how the screen flips up at the top. I thought that would be easier to use. Yeah, so now we get to learn how to use the camera. That's so exciting.
We love our video camera, but it's quite old and it doesn't have an external mic, and you will have seen by now that filming outside can be something of a challenge. I can't hear myself. I'm sure you can't hear me. Poor Lisa has to edit all the videos and work on making the sound better just so you can hear me. So we're really hoping that this will do a better job. It's tiny! Is it lightweight?
Not especially. I mean, it's not heavy. It's what I expected from a solid camera. It's not heavy. It's just not super light. It's not one of those little dinky slip into your purse and it weighs nothing cameras. It's pretty solid, but it doesn't weigh a ton. And yeah, it'll be easy to hold up. Yeah, it'll be good. So we're excited to learn how to use it, and hopefully you'll see the results.
And hopefully there'll be good results.
Thanks for joining us.
Like this adventure, subscribe below, and join us next time. Thanks for coming along.